This wig is from a company called ReadyWig. So you guys know I love a good packaging. This is what the packaging looks like. It's in like a baby pink color and black, and it has a little design on it. Now inside of the box it says ReadyWig, I love that we met and hope you enjoy the hair. That's a nice little message inside the box. We have a hair care card. We also have some wig caps. So it's the brown colored wig caps with 2 in the packet. And you guys, they sent like a little spray bottle, and I love the fact that the size of this bottle is so small. It could be like a little travel size bottle, so that came in the pack as well, which is really cool. Now let's get into the wig. Like, it's a pink color wig. It's not a loud pink, it's more of like a pastel pink, if that's what it's called. But it's such a beautiful pink color. I feel like this is gonna go well with my skin tone. Okay, so this is the wig, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and just remove the packaging. First, I'm gonna show you guys the inside. Okay, now the inside of the wig comes with 2 combs here and one at the back here. Okay, and then we do have the adjustable strap to make the wig more snug if you want it more snug, which is always good. So for me, the inside construction of the wig is pretty good. Now we're going to look at the lace. This is the lace, guys. I'm going to show you guys a close-up real quick. So this is the lace, and as you guys can see, they already plucked the hairline, which is going to make my life easier. I don't really need to do much to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like use basically my got2b. You guys already know the drill. I'm gonna use these 2 together. So guys, I'm just using my tights just to tie the hair down, because I want it to just lay down before I go ahead and finish styling it. So I'm using my tights as always. That's my favorite thing to use to lay my edges. I'm going to go ahead and work some magic and come back and finish the wig up. So I'll be back in 5, 4, 3, 2. I've worked my magic, done a little slay to my face, so we're gonna go ahead and just finish off the wig. I'm just gonna brush through the wig. It's best to basically brush from the ends and then work your way up, so that will help it from getting knotted like really quickly. When I brush through the hair, I do get some shedding. Alright guys, so this is the wig in a middle parting, and what I did was I used some of my got2b spray and I sprayed it on top just to kind of hold the hair in place, because sometimes with synthetic hair it tends to move about a lot and that can be so annoying. So I just literally sprayed some of the got2b on top of it and it just sort of holds it in place. But I'm going to put a little bit on the actual hair as well. So if you was planning to like wear this out to wherever you want to wear it to, in order for it to kind of sit in place and not move about, I would suggest that you spray some holding spray on it, and that will just sort it right out. One thing that I do like about this wig is the fact that it's not like really shiny. Like, you know, some synthetic hair is like so shiny that as soon as you see it you're like, oh my god, that's synthetic. I feel like with this one you can kind of like look at a distance and just wonder like, is it synthetic, is it not, is it synthetic, is it not, you know. So I'm going to try and see what other styles that I could do with this wig. Okay guys, so this is basically just one little style that you can do with the wig, and bear in mind you can be pretty flexible because it is a lace frontal wig. Let me just go back a bit so you guys can see. You know, I've just done like a little high bun. This is where the length of the wig stops, like below my boobs. So my final thoughts on the wig. This wig, the color is absolutely perfect. Like, I love this color so much. The texture of the wig is really nice as well, although it's like synthetic. Hold on, my bun's coming out, girl. Although it's like synthetic, it's not like, you know, those plasticky synthetic that's just like really shiny. It has like a texture that it could feel, it could almost feel like a yucky kind of texture, so that's quite good. The lace on it is really good as well. It sticks down really well. The only thing that I would say at the moment that's a con is the fact that the hair does shed. So far I am receiving some strands of shedding, but it's not crazy shedding, and also like it's a synthetic wig, so you are going to get shedding, so you have to bear that in mind as well. I'm going to put all the information from ReadyWig in the description box. They are available on Instagram. They do have a website as well. I'm going to put everything in the description box that you need to know. But that's pretty much it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. See you guys soon.